10 amazing facts about ants. 1. Super organized societies. Ants are social insects that live in highly organized colonies. These colonies can range from a few dozen to millions of ants, depending on the species. 2. Incredible strength. Despite their small size, ants are incredibly strong. Some species can carry objects that are 50 times their own body weight. This is equivalent to a human lifting a car. 3. Communication skills. Ants communicate using a variety of methods, including chemical signals called pheromones. They use these chemical trails to guide other ants to food sources or to signal danger. 4. Diverse species. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and scientists estimate that there may be as many as 22,000 species in total. This diversity is remarkable, with ants inhabiting almost every landmass on Earth. 5. Longevity. Ants have been around for a very long time. Fossil evidence suggests that ants evolved around 130 million years ago during the Cretaceous period, coexisting with dinosaurs. 6. Eco-friendly farmers. Some ant species are skilled farmers. Leafcutter ants, for example, cultivate fungus gardens by cutting and transporting leaves to their nests, providing a nutrient-rich environment for the fungus to grow, which the ants then eat. 7. Colony roles. Ant colonies have different castes, each with specific roles. These roles include workers, soldiers, and queens. The queen is responsible for laying eggs, while workers handle tasks such as foraging, caring for the young, and defending the nest. 8. Ants in agriculture. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystems as they aerate the soil, control pest populations, and disperse seeds. Their activities contribute to maintaining a healthy balance in various ecosystems. 9. Speedy workers. Ants are known for their efficiency. Some species can move their legs at a rate of 300 steps per second, allowing them to cover considerable distances in search of food or nesting materials. 10. Survival techniques. Ants have developed various survival strategies. Some species can form living rafts using their own bodies to navigate flooded areas, while others engage in mimicry to resemble other organisms, helping them avoid predators.